consumer goods. This is the segment that we are showing this year on Formnext, all about the consumer goods segment. What's very special about this segment out of our all selected focus segments is that here we are focusing on products that are going directly to the consumer and need to have end-use properties. Most of the time, this means a very high quality of a surface, and the consumers don't really care a lot if it's 3D printed, but that the product delivers a higher value than a conventionally manufactured part. As a very first step, this here is a shoe made by Hylos for the company called Dolce Vita. It has a very special finish, adds comfort, adds the option of customization and personal fit for a very fashionable, low-volume batch of an exclusive, usually high-value product. Anything that is very designer-focused, where you want to bring just very unique, exclusive products in the market, quickly, without all the traditional long supply chains, 3D printing is the right path to go, since here you have the options to really make a one-off, iterate quickly, or add features that are custom to your single piece. Another shoe product that is on a very other end of the spectrum is performance. Consumers value looks, but they also value if you add some performance to your files. On that side, you do see a product from Something Added, which is a very unique midsole made using HP MGF 3D printing TPA, a high performance material with a very high energy return, a rebound for sports people that value the energy, but also the looks. You see, you can add a quite unique, colorful appearance to a high performance product, while also making it unique and low volume, deliver fast, and deliver exactly the amount of products you need. This is a supply chain challenge too on the same time, since anything that needs to be in storage costs money while being in storage, and if it's not a sold good, all these goods may go to landfill or need to be recycled. When you just produce what's required, the exact demand, this reduces the cost on the end product significantly, even for the single manufacturing unit, maybe slightly more expensive than the traditional method. What's quite unique about this Something Added technology and product here is that all these are made using custom HP machines. So you have the option to work with HP on your unique challenge, on maybe something that is not available off the shelf from the standard machines, with our professional services to develop a totally unique solution using custom technology and materials, agents, heating technology or software to enable your product way far beyond what our off-the-shelf products may offer at the moment. In the middle of the range of these consumer goods segments, you see the eyewears. Eyewear, as a traditionally widely used product and growing market, people tend to use screens a lot more. Children need more eyewear. There is a trend towards UV blockers, protection from blue light on screens. So with more eyewear sold, people also value a unique look, a custom fit that really fits your face perfectly, or some unique designs, while at the same time for the manufacturer, simplifying the supply chain. When you now order eyewear as a manufacturer from China, from the very few manufacturers, you need to order thousands of pieces per color and design, and this is a single size. People's faces are not single size. You need to fit them to the right size, and you also want them with as little storage as possible, with as little waste as possible. And that's why HP MGF 3D printing comes into play here in this showcase of TPIs, eyewear products, here on the mono selection, made with our P12 white on a standard set of frames, while on the other side of this exhibition booth you have a custom fit frames, which is the second side of offer for the premium customer that really wants a face scan to a product that is unique to them, made only once for the customer, and really fits like nothing else on the market that you could get off the shelf. With this, I summarize the consumer goods as this segment that is focused on the end user. The product is in focus. The manufacturing doesn't really matter for a final customer, but look, feel, and performance are the major advantage, with at the same time reducing supply chain challenges on these three examples of eyewear and footwear.